Hashtag FridgeKalang. Our fridge and kitchen are always stocked with everyday staples that keep meals simple, balanced, and comforting. These essentials reflect what we reach for most often, whether it's quick snacks, hearty meals, or little treats. Top 5 essentials always in our fridge or kitchen. 1. Assorted fruits, fresh and healthy snacks for any time of day. 2. Rice, our go-to staple for everyday meals. 3. Cheese and butter, perfect for cooking, spreading, or adding flavor. Fruit salad, ready greens and veggies for a quick, light dish. 5 are cookies and bread, easy comfort food for breakfast or snacks. Thanks for watching. Follow me for more. Subscribe to my top 5 daily content that blends safety, faith, family, and fun.